What if wine had a premium, easy opening? This was the question that Amarim and OI made to improve the way people consume one of the world's favourite products, wine. In 2013, the two major wine packaging producers joined forces to revolutionise the market and create an unexpected twist. HELIX. HELIX is a new opening system featuring a unique bottle and a unique cork to create the first premium wine packaging in the world that doesn't need a corkscrew. With a sophisticated design and the latest technology, it opens with a simple twist and resealing is equally easy. The threads in the bottle create an airtight environment that allows the consumer to open, seal and reopen the wine without losing its properties. As for the wineries, the process is also easy. HELIX can be implemented by simply choosing Amarim and OI as suppliers and by inserting an orientator in the filling line. Dozens of wineries around the world are already using HELIX with a very positive consumer feedback. Join this spiral of success. Be a part of the HELIX movement.